Hello, my name is Mark with Shiftless, SoCal, California. And what I have here is an old beat up license plate. And I'm going to show you how we utilize the papa-dent tool to remove the dents out of this plate. So we have a really deep dent right here. We have a pointed one right there. We have a couple creases right there. We're going to take our tool with our mushroom head, medium weight spring, and we're going to just apply some pressure. That dent's almost gone right there. Completely lifted it out. A couple more shots. We're going to adjust a little bit more pressure. We don't have to let it snap. We can let the tool work for us. Let's go ahead. A little more work there. That'd be perfect. Let's just catch this one right here. We're going to change our tool bit. Put our pointed on. We can see it right there. We're going to identify our dent. Bam, baby. Right there, just a little bit more, and that dent's gone. Let's see what we can do here. A nice little crease there. Change our bit. We're going to get it in the edge. That's taking that dent right out of there. Just like that, that came out. You can see right there, we can get some of those right out. There's one on the back side right here. We can come in with our chisel bit, take that right out. We're not destroying the metal. We're just moving the metal. A little bit more work and that plate would be nice. So utilizing the different tool bits, I was able to get into the creases on both sides with our blade, our chisel bit, and be able to get into the letters without distorting the metal. I was able to take our mushroom head and push our letters out, and to fine tune it for some deep dents, I was able to use our pointed tip to remove some of the dents. I hope this information has been helpful when you restore your license plates. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to papa-dent.com.